What you've just seen is a mini intro of the short that I created with Dreamina Seedance 2.0, the ultimate AI studio released in CapCut. And I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic shorts, creating the AI environment, the AI character, keeping the consistency throughout the character in the whole shorts, and also work on the multi-frames and in the transition between them, all together within AI Studio in CapCut. Let's go. Alright, so first thing, inside CapCut Desktop, we are going to look for Video Studio on top right. This is different from your normal editing project. It's canvas-based workspace, you will see later, meaning instead of a timeline, you have an open board and I can work and move all my images, my video. It's quite nice actually, it's like very open board, you can see. And this is where the magic happens. I'm going to copy and paste my prompt. First of all, we need to create a character. Every great story starts with a character, so that's where we begin. I'm going to use AI chat to build mine. I copy and paste here. I want to create a samurai with a dark sky, a lot of sakura around, which is the cherry tree, strong cinematic male, and I want him to use his katana with look, vibe, inner world. So here's how I develop my concept. You can see here I can pick different models. I don't know why there's no Seedream 5.0. I think I have the VPN on. I should have removed it, but it's fine. I'm gonna use 4.5. Use the aspect ratio that you need. You can put video, photos, auto. So let's go and let's create some image generation. I'm going to generate one. Let's have a look. Yeah, not bad. I really like this one actually. I am not sure about the face or the mask because might be we're gonna get removed on Seedance. You cannot still do faces. So let's ask the AI to create 4 different variations and see how they are. Not bad. I think they are not bad. I would pick maybe this one with a bit more of a mask so we can work a bit better, I guess. Then after we create our character, we need to create a world for him to live in. So I'm going to prompt the AI to generate different environments, a bit more of a forest. I want to try different time of the day to see where I can build my character later. So I want to generate slightly different ideas and see which one I like the most. I'm gonna do a multiple location, but with different version like dawn, dusk, storm, and fog. But I want them to look pretty much similar. I'm going to leave all the prompt on the comments down below. So if you wanna have an idea what the prompt that I use, you can use them. They're pretty good, so you can work around them if you need. I'm going to pick, I think this one I like, under the forest vibe, a bit of light passing through. Once I decided the background, I want to implement my character into the background. So we do the same proceeding, Seedream. Again, we ask to create those ideas, and then I will do image to video. So you can see here you have the 4 images that I want to develop. I prepared the prompt before, and I'm going to animate every single one of these. I will then put them together to do the final movie. Last but not least, I want to show you also the multi-frames. I can use the auto mode in this case. So I want to make the clip more cinematic. Instead of just animating a single image, I can give the reference to the AI to 2 images or 2 videos, and Seedance 2.0 generates everything in between. So this is the result. Not really the case that I was looking for because I want to give a punchy transition and work it myself. But I just wanted to show you the multi-frame is really good. If you need to do a zoom in, a zoom out in a city environment, for example, they're really good. Once you have your image, your actually image transforming video and the final video, you have a collection of clips. In my case, we have 4 of them. So you can select the clip in the order that you want, then you hit create storyboard, and the canvas will automatically assemble them in a structured sequence. You work in draft basically. From here you can trim, reorder, swap out, change them. See, for example, mine are mismatched, so I'm gonna reorder them, and then you can generate them. Once you're done, it is not your final video. This is where the human make the difference. You just click to edit more, and we go back to CapCut, our normal timeline, and then I'm going to work on the video,
and I actually did complete the video before. I add the music, sound effect, color grading, and all the finishes touches that I want to give to my video. So now it's time to watch it.
What do you think about the video? This is the full workflow with Seedance 2.0 and now is a challenge for you. I want you to create a video, sci-fi or a battle or a character, a cartoon, a futuristic one, whatever you like. And then once you finish, post the link on my comments here. I want to see your final masterpiece. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you soon for the next video.